Delta can be represented in many different ways. One effective way to do this is to visualize and display the specific delta profile data as an integrated additional footprint layer directly inside each individual candlestick. This specific process allows you to capture and measure the segmental concentrations of delta in the sample. Right here we can see a standard D-trading chart. Looking specifically at the market for light sweet crude oil within this particular area of the chart, you can clearly observe a very strong concentration of negative deltas, which are further combined with significant negative imbalances in the order flow. As we can see, the following candlestick is currently finding it impossible to break through this area to the upside. A region of significantly lower trading volume can also serve as another level of resistance. Directly following that particular sequence of events, there is a very distinct and immediate follow-through, which once again comes to a close with a significant concentration of negative delta values that we see here.